The radio may be accessed by selecting Audio-Video from the main menu or pressing Mode and turning the knob until Radio is highlighted. Rotate the power knob to adjust volume or use the plus and minus switch on the steering wheel. Press Band to select AM, AMA, FM, or FMA. Press the up or down Seek buttons to skip to the next station, or use the Seek function on the touchscreen. This will also allow you to scan available stations. To automatically store the 9 strongest local radio stations, press the tuning icon, then press Auto Store. To manually select a station, select the FM tuning icon. Press the up or down keys to tune, or press Direct Frequency Input and enter a frequency. Once the frequency is set, press and hold the desired location to create a preset. The CD changer is located in the glove compartment. To access the 6-disc magazine, slide the door open and press Eject. To play a CD, press Mode, then turn until CD is highlighted. If another audio source is in use, press CD. Press the icon of the disc you would like to play. Skip tracks using the Seek buttons. Press and hold the Seek buttons to fast forward or reverse through a track. Track controls are also located on the steering wheel. The pause control is located here. Press CD settings to access Random, Repeat, and Scan CD features. Note that these features may only apply to a single disc, not all CDs at once. Touch the selected icon to play, and again to cancel the feature. When equipped, satellite radio may be accessed from radio mode by pressing Radio Sat, which will toggle between FM, AM, and satellite. The top screen displays the channel name, its category, and the satellite preset stations group. When music is played, the lower screen will identify the artist or the song name. Press the icon to cycle between the two. To select a station by category, press Cat, then the desired category. Pressing the Seek buttons will move between channels. There are 3 satellite screens, SAT1, SAT2, SAT3. Each has 6 icons available for presets. To create a preset station, press and hold the selected icon. Press the preset icon you'd like to listen to. To find a preset on another band, press SAT1 or SAT2. To select a station by its station number, select SAT Options. Press Direct Channel Input to bring up the keypad. Enter the station number, then OK. To set tone adjustments, press the Tone button to display the Tone menu. Press the Tone icon to activate adjustments for bass, treble, and subwoofer levels. Balance and fader may be adjusted by using these arrows to move the square, which depicts where the sound will be focused. Source memory enables unique tone, balance, and fader settings to be set for each source. Selecting Reset All returns the controls for that page to their default settings. Logic 7 creates stunning surround sound effects from 2-channel and multi-channel audio and video recordings. Select the icon to turn it on or off. Range Rover's voice recognition provides a safe and convenient way to control the audio system. Voice recognition works best when the doors, windows, and sunroof are closed and there is no background noise. It only understands predefined commands that are quoted word for word. These commands can be found in the owner's manual. To activate voice recognition, press Voice Control until you hear a tone, and listening appears in the main message center. Release the button and say the command.
Radio play.
Radio play.
If a command is not recognized, voice recognition will say,
Command not recognized.
A command can be interrupted by pressing the voice control button again. Command canceled will appear in the message center. An audio list of voice control commands can be accessed by briefly pressing the voice control button and saying Voice Help.
Voice help.
Voice help.
To list all commands. Radio help, CD help, or display help.
To give a command, press the voice button. After the tone has completed, speak naturally.
An auxiliary jack at the rear of the center console can be used to connect extra equipment, such as an MP3 player. If your vehicle is fitted with rear seat entertainment, there are two inputs, AV1 and 2. These allow separate devices to be used by the left and right rear seat passengers, or just one device to be used by both. Once the equipment is connected, press the audio-video icon on the main menu, then press AUX to activate this feature. For additional information, consult the Rear Seat Entertainment Manual or your owner's manual.